Parayko trying to find an open lane off the post, off the crossbar, and it stays out. Oh, are you kidding me? Back the other way comes Nylander, short-handed to the net. Oh, check by Binnington, or Brown, check that. And back the other way come the Blues. Parayko will lift it in. And they're going to have a look at that. The horn is gone, so that means the puck must have gone in the net. This will be a goal if they've stopped play.
And it's a goal. Yeah. You hear the crowd reaction. They just saw it on the big screen. It hits the post, and Parayko could really wire it. And then underneath, yep, underneath the back bar, so that's a goal. And nobody on no player, I don't think, even realized it on the ice. Yeah, no question about it. And it's clear as a bell, and that's it. And there's the official announcement.